guys, Florida with 5 here. Today we're at Tibet-Butler Nature Preserve and we're going to take you on a walk, hopefully see some animals.
Alright, so we walked inside. First thing you see, there's a cage with some baby alligators in there. That's pretty cool, guys, huh? It's a big snapping turtle.
With the skin of a snapping turtle.
Very cool. We got a woodpecker. What is that? That is something about, I don't know exactly what that is. What'd you find, Maverick? What'd you find? Look at that thing.
It's an eel. It's an eel.
That is definitely an eel. We got some other fish too. Why don't you read us what that sign says?
Alligators and snakes are common in this area. They can be dangerous and should not be approached, frightened, or fed. Please give them the respect they deserve. Keep your distance.
Uh-oh.
Totally.
Miles. Hey, bud.
Hi.
What are you thinking?
Oh, we found a spider back there.
Yeah. What do you want to see?
There were some rule breakers back there too.
Yeah. Some rule breakers? Yeah. Are you someone that follows the rules? That's a good boy. Because what do rules do?
Keep you safe.
That is right. Good job, buddy. Because there's ways to have fun, right?
Yes.
By following the rules too,
Yes.
right? Good job. Coming up on this tree. Look at what the termites did to it.
How do you know if there's termites?
Because Dad said it was, so it's gotta be, right? Oh my goodness.
That thing can fall.
Turn around, buddy. What does it say? Wi-Fi is down, so I'm outside today. You little stinker.
Nope. He tries to be funny, but he's not.
He sometimes is, right?
This percent of the time.
Yeah.
This percent of the time I am.
Yeah. You are pretty funny, dude.
I'm funny because
Who do you get it from?
I'm funny because I pooped in my pants.
You get it from your mama? No.
You see the lizard? Don't move though, you're gonna, no. Gonna make it go away.
Oh, you're here.
Eat the ant. Oh, no, he's quick.
Yeah.
Brody found a snake. What color was it?
Black and green.
Which way to go?
Straight in front of
Alright, we lost the snake. We'll try to find another one. We're in the swamp. So far, we don't see anything.
Mom! Oh!
He's gonna eat it. Sully, slow.
What's he gonna eat?
Red light.
Lindsay? What's he gonna eat?
It. Stop.
For today's game, we're gonna play What's in That Bush? Brody?
What?
What's in that bush?
Stick. Thank you. I was right.
He's right! Stick! Brody's the winner! Congratulations!
Yay.
You're the winner on today's episode of What's in That Bush.
My prize is nothing. Just barely see its claw on its foot. I thought they did. Some do. But when they do sting, they'll sting. No, they don't. Which ones are the ones that keep stinging? Like wasps.
Hey guys, Florida with 5 here. Say hi, Eric.
Hi, Eric.
I don't know why he always does that. Anyways, we decided after the nature walk to go grab a bite to eat. And now we are checking out the city walk at Universal Studios. We will keep you posted and show you things on the way. Bye!
Subscribe!
Did I get you on that?
I don't know.
Do you want a replay of that, Eric?
No, it's a subscribe!
Too cold, buddy. There's the Hard Rock.
It's like 60 degrees, ain't that cold.
Oh, they're trying to dodge it. Brody's wet. No, Maddie.
It's a hot dog place. It's set up like baseball stadium.
This is a hot dog place. Got the game going. You can sit in little bleacher seats. Got the game on.
Don't you do that! Don't you do that! You're gonna get wet! You're gonna get wet! You're gonna get wet! Oh, look! You got slime!
Oh, Lucy, let me see you.
Alright guys, so we're down here at the Universal Studios City Walk. One really cool thing here, they got the NBC grill. The big jumbotrons here. Really cool place. All kinds of sports on the big screen outside. Really cool. Alright guys, Universal Studios City Walk. We came, we saw. We didn't do anything, but we saw it. Now we know it's here for next time. Right, Mom? Huh?
Yeah.
Next time we know to go to the rides.
And now we
What, Mom?
Next time we know to go to the rides.
Now we know what?
Now we know what to do for next time when we have more time.
Yeah,
Right?
for next time. What'd you think, bud?
It was good.
It was good? You look so excited.
Lucy's been dancing this whole time.
Lucy, our little dancer. We got coconut shrimp, we got fried shrimp, we got shrimp kebab, they got shrimp cocktails, they got shrimp gumbo, we got all kinds of shrimp.